wins through hard times with friends forever. See the bigger picture, the common goal. Make this a place we can all call home. Sometimes